Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for scheduling. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to Monday.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your credentials. This will take you to your main Monday.com dashboard where you can access all your boards and workspaces. Now, take a look at the left panel of your screen. You'll see the workspace section listed there. Right beside the workspace name, you'll notice a plus sign. Click on that plus sign to open up your options for creating new items. From the menu that appears, select Board. This is the foundation for organizing your schedule in Monday.com. After clicking Board, you'll see another option pop up that says Start with Template. Go ahead and click on that. Using a template is going to save you a significant amount of time because it gives you a pre-built system instead of creating everything manually from scratch. So instead of building a scheduling board for 1 to 2 hours, you can start in minutes. Once you click Start with Template, Monday.com will take you to their template library. At the top of this page, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar and type schedule, then press enter. This will filter the results to show you only the templates related to scheduling, which makes it much easier to find exactly what you need. Now browse through the results that appear on your screen. Monday.com offers various scheduling templates designed for different purposes, whether you're planning team shifts, managing project timelines, or organizing personal tasks. Take a moment to look through the options and click on the template that best fits your scheduling needs. This step is important because choosing the right template from the start means you'll have the right structure already in place. After you've selected your preferred template, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a button that says Use Template. Click on that button, and Monday.com will create a new board based on the template you chose. The board will be fully populated with columns, rows, and scheduling features that are ready to use right away. You can start adding your own information immediately or customize the board further to match your specific workflow. And that's it. You've successfully set up a scheduling board on Monday.com using a template, and you're ready to start organizing your schedule efficiently. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.